So this is FORMENTOR. It is very, very nice. You can see there the clear water. Where we are this is the location of the old FORMENTOR Hotel, which is just closed down, and Four Seasons have taken over, and they are going to be opening their doors in 2023, it says, so there's no delays. They've got a really nice spot. I spoke to some locals who said they're going to miss the old FORMENTOR Hotel. Had a reputation. Lots of well-known people went there, lots of artists in the past, so it's quite an institution. So it'll be interesting to see what Four Seasons does with the place. But you can't fault the location. It is fantastic. Like, you will see now as I come on this platform here, it is really nice. Apologies for the wind noise if there's any, but that's it. They're the mountains over there. I'm going to be uploading a few other videos I filmed with my other camera to give you a much better idea, but then you should be able to see quite clearly on this how nice this is. It goes on for a while. So the difference is, at the moment there are no sunbeds down here. So the FORMENTOR Hotel would have normally had beds on here for the guests swimming there, but at the moment it just seems full of local people, a few tourists, but tourists at the moment are quite minimal. I'm going to walk down to the beach so you can see quite clearly how clear and beautiful it is. Wow. So if we look here, you can see that water. Look at that, and I can just go in. It's warm like a bath here. So clear, so welcoming. Look at that. A mountain ridge is beautiful. The sea is beautiful as well. If you carry on further over here, we've got what do we see over there? There's two restaurants on this. I've seen one. What I like as well is the pine trees literally all across it. So you've hardly got any built up stuff. All blends seamlessly into the background. That's actually an island you see there. It looks like it's one piece, but if you come a bit further, I don't think I can from where I am, but if you swim out a bit, that's an island straight ahead. Yeah, there's two restaurants here. There's one just from where I started the video. If you look up there as well, there's a tower on top of that mountain there. It's a watchtower. You can go view that and visit, climb to the top. And this way, we took a crazy windy road to see the sunset from the FORMENTOR Cap, and that is a very scary road. Literally windy, bendy roads, cliffs on both sides. Well, not on both sides, but just non-stop. Lots of goats as well. You've got to be very careful if you're driving there, and it can get quite busy. We went on a Saturday night, so it was really busy, but definitely worth it for the sunset. but just be aware that very narrow roads and can be a bit scary. So I will come back up here and see. You can see more, a slight bit more down here. Then turn back and show you the restaurant as well. The restaurant's quite nice. It closes quite early. If we carry this here, what's the locals having? Lots of fun again. I don't have my microphone, so apologies for the sound, but if you look at that, so clear. That's Alcudia Peninsula jutting out there, so it's nice to see. This is getting a bit further. Again, there's gonna be no guests behind me here for a while because the hotel is closed. Let's see if I can walk through here. Wow. I apologise as well, I don't have my gimbal with me, so it's a slight bit moving around more than I'd like, but again, you can see very nice clear water. Lots of boats here. This was it's a very nice bay, protected, hardly any buildings. On one of my other videos I'm going to upload, it showcases the history behind the lighthouse and how they went about it. Wow. Yeah, it's really nice. There's the hotel, the old FORMENTOR, which they're going to keep intact. They're just going to do a lot of changes from, I think, 120 rooms to 110 or something like that. So keeping the structure, but then I think potentially gutting the place out. Here is a sign actually telling us our beach. FORMENTOR. Tells you everything that's here. A bit peculiar that's actually there because you don't really drive to here unless there's a car park I'm unaware of. But yeah, it's carries on, and I think I've made it this far. I might as well go to the end. Again, my apologies for the shaky camera work. So that is the gate. Here we are, there's the hotel. Won't be having guests for quite a while. And here, yeah, that's quite beautiful the way you can see that from here. I think what I'll do is I'll double up and walk a bit along the waterfront to show you guys a bit more. It's beautiful, literally every part of this. Very relaxing, I feel really good. That's that's it. The two restaurants I was talking about, there's one in the middle of the bay where I started, and one right at the end. There is the Pollenza fort where they filmed The Night Manager. It's quite nice on the other side of there where you've got Pollenza. Been exploring all the crooks and crannies of this island, and it's very nice. I recommend it just for its clear water. Nice history, nice food. Lots of nice fish in this water. And I'll walk a bit in the water now. You can see for yourselves how clear the water is.